Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in the city of Limassol. We're going to my mall. Doesn't belong to me, by the way, they call it my mall. So a big shopping centre here in Limassol. We've got Public, which is shoe shop.
No.
What is it?
It's phones and things.
Appliances.
No, electrical.
Electrical, right. Gadgets, there we are guys. Anyway, let's move on, shall we? Public, we've got KFC, JD Sports, Subways, Cosmos Sports, Pizza Hut, Ocean Basket. Thank you very much, Ocean Basket. They do donate lots of stuff for animal charities. Taco Bell, Marks and Spencer's, Mango. Oh, sorry. You shouldn't be videoing in the middle of a car park, silly Billy. Loads and loads of disabled car parking spaces, loads of spaces by the way guys, but it's Saturday and it's mega busy, so we'll do a little video. It's coming up to Christmas. It's November 15th 16th, something like that guys. Weather's still beautiful. Right, so we have got lots and lots of shops guys. Sunglass Hut, Crocodile, Publix on our left, shoe shops, unusual shops, they're on the right. They do all sorts of Christmas gifts. Jewellery shops, Adidas shop, there it is on the right hand side. Ghent. That's designer label, isn't it?
Yeah, very nice men's clothes.
Very nice men's clothes apparently. There are Tim's handbag shop, sports shops and more. We've got several floors guys. We're going to go upstairs in a little while. Sunglasses, a watch gallery right in the middle, loads of designer shops. We've even got an optician's. Oh, look at all these Christmas gifts. Fabulous. Do you remember the Christmas sock shop? There it is, socks and tights. I think they've got the Christmas stuff out now, they have. Look at this. And you can buy one, get one free. There we are. They're €10 each.
10.90.
Oh, 10.90, do apologise. But it's buy one, get one free. So really there's around €5 each. More jewellery shops. And then of course there's places where you can have coffee and a drink. Terra Nova, a discount clothes shop here in Cyprus guys. They've got branches everywhere. Where we're going, this way. Costa Coffee. This is Mango. Looks like a trendy, fashionable shop. It's really busy, isn't it, guys? Look at this, unbelievable. The professional makeup shop. Oh, we've got ice skating. Yeah, there is ice skating on the lower ground floor. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We will go downstairs where the ice skating is. There's Beauty Line. A massive makeup shop all round Cyprus. They've even got a barber shop in the middle. They've got famous Cypriot nuts. Oh, look, one moment, have a look at this. And the famous Cypriot dried fruit right in the middle. Where else should we go? Marks and Spencer's. Come on guys, this way. Fashion jewellery. More designer shops. It's vast, isn't it? Massive. As the escalators go downstairs, we're going to go down the far end and then go, what, upstairs, do you think? Right, so we'll carry on down. We can have more sunglasses if you want sunglasses. There's a kids shop called Fox. There's some shops that we're not familiar with. There's Marks and Spencer's, of course. There's Zara next door. Epic, they supply the phone lines, mobile phone. You going in Marks and Spencer's? Oh, if we want to go Marks and Spencer's, good idea. Oh, they're nice. Oh, lovely. They've got some lovely jumpers, by the way. Nice leggings, joggers. Kids' clothes. Let's go to the far end. And that to the food courts. There we are. This way, guys. And here. Oh, what can we add? Advent calendars. Look at these. They're $4.95. Tin of shortbread. That's $5.50. Build your own gingerbread house. Oh, that looks good. That's $14.95. Christmas crackers, M&S Christmas crackers. I'm not sure how much they are, guys. We'll have a look. Not sure. $6.95. Oh, they've got tins of sweets. $16.95. Christmas puddings. $4.50. You're not making Christmas pudding this year, are you?
First time in 35 years.
It's $26.95. That's the fruit Christmas cake. Or you can get this one, $18.95.
Oh look, that's a little one.
Oh, that's a good idea. A little one. €4.50.
Look at them.
Oh, they're nice. They're salted caramel cones. Salted caramel pine cones at $16.95. Well, one moment, they've got the M&S fruit cake. That's $28.95. They've got napkins as well, $7.95. So you're not making Christmas pudding, so we might as well buy one.
It's about a third of the price.
Yeah, agreed, it can be very expensive. Oh, these are nice dressing gowns and pyjamas, €28. Right, let's go up. Oh, ice cream. Let's go up the stairs. Oh, it's got a lot of scoops. Or up the escalators. Paul and Bear. Oh, talk about bear. Look at that. Let's go upstairs now, guys. Oh, that's nice. Go upstairs and then walk along. So it's 2 stories of shopping and then ice skating on the lower ground floor. Looks like lots of sports shops up here. Under Armour, Cosmos Sports, United Colours of Benetton. That's not a sports shop, by the way. But there is another sports shop right on the entrance. Yeah, look. Carry on down. On the left hand side is the Sitter shop, main providers of landlines and internet. Ah, the bed shop. Rest, I think it is. We need to go to the bed shop. See if they've got a new mattress. Space for Beauty. La Maisons, household goods, kitchenware. Right, let's go down here. Oh, food court coming up. What's this on the right hand side? Oh, smelly stuff. There we are. Soaps and that. That's Buddha.
And the rubbish belly for good luck.
Oh, rub his belly for good luck. Oh, I've got a belly like that. Kelly's accessorising shop. Right, up to the food area where we can get sandwiches. We can have KFC, McDonald's, Subways, frozen yogurt at the far end. All smells delicious. The Smugglers. There's more places to sit and eat. If you just want a can or drink, guys, there was a kiosk down there as well. €1.30 for a can or drink. There's Pizza Hut. Further along, we've got more sports shops, accessory shops, and I think we've got Sports Direct at the far end. Yes, there we are, Sports Direct. Right, let's work our way back down. We're going to go to the lower level. I think we have to go round to the escalators and have a look at the ice skating rink and see what's going on in the lower level. In the lower level, we've got the lower level of Terra Nova discount clothes shop, guys. Look out for that. There is one in Paralimni as well, very reasonably priced. There's the ice skating area. There we go. Whoa, look at that. Wow, amazing. You can get lessons, can you? Let's have a look. There we are. So private lessons are just €20. Extra skating after lessons, €5.
You can get the seal. That includes the seal.
Oh yes, that's what that girl's doing. There we are. That's €20, guys, including the seal. That's 15 to 20 minutes. Extra €5 for the longer duration. And you can get the long pass up to 4 hours, €30. And normal pass is €15. Extra hour for €10. You can rent the seal by yourself, €4. Lockers are €1, socks are €1. Helmets and pads are free. There's the arcade, and there's a bowling alley right at the far end. So bowling alley, arcade, ice skating, arcade games further down. Or should I say more arcade games further down. We've got a Disney style shop, a gadget shop, loads for the kids to do. And right at the far end is the kids ballpark. Right, we are working our way back towards the car park, so we'll leave the video going just in case we missed something. Loads of stuff in there, guys, unbelievable. So far we've got lots to do for the children, lots of shopping, lots of food, lots of bargains, especially if you come in January when the January sales are on. There's an idea. We've also got lots and lots of sports shops, including Sports Direct. This is like a gadget shop.
It's a piggy bank.
Oh, it's a piggy bank, fluffy piggy bank.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Sausage shop.
Sausage shop.
Grant's got a sausage shop.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, did he pay €5 for it?
I think he paid a lot more for it.
Oh, could have got one for €5. Never mind. Oh, what's this? Oh, hello. Hi guys, nice to see you again. For the video, what's your name?
My name's Jean.
And
James. Charles.
and you're doing the marathon tour, aren't you?
yeah,
And where is it starting?
Oh, I can't say it. That weird
Yes,
beach.
Finiguez,
That's
isn't
one.
it? Brilliant.
Finny something.
And you did it last year?
No, first time.
First time? Well,
First time.
enjoy it. Is it half marathon?
Full.
Wow.
Yeah, 42 kilometres.
Well, good luck with that. It is amazing, and I think you got the perfect weather.
Yeah, that's lovely.
There we are. There's some viewers. We always bump into them, don't we? And she's doing the marathon.
And you nearly ran them over once, didn't you?
I did nearly run them over. I think they were on the zebra crossing or something.
They were.
There you go. Well, there we are. We're heading back towards the car. Hope you enjoyed that little shopping trip. We got Christmas pudding and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.